Welcome, dear student. Don't worry, no pop quizzes yet. I am excited to have you on this learning journey. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know about the subject. And by everything, I mean a lot of things. The video lessons are designed to be engaging and informative. And if you fall asleep, I won't tell anyone. Reading materials are essential. Not always fun, but that's life. Quizzes and assignments are where you prove your knowledge, or at least where you try to. Staying up to date is crucial. To make the most of this course, ensure you keep current with both the videos and the assigned readings. Falling behind on either could make it challenging to keep up with the coursework and assessments, because nobody wants to be the person who still thinks Pluto is a planet. Need help? That's what your professor is for. Just don't ask me to do your homework. I am looking forward to guiding this learning journey for you.